The DoorDash Dasher app provides three main types of address changes that drivers need to understand for efficient delivery operations. These three types cover delivery address modifications, starting point location updates, and hotspot preference management. Delivery address changes occur in three scenarios: when customers modify their location after ordering, when drivers need to correct inaccurate GPS coordinates, or when safety concerns require location adjustments. Starting point modifications involve updating your primary dashing location, setting temporary locations while traveling, or switching between different DoorDash service markets. Hotspot management allows you to customize preferred high-demand areas, optimize zone coverage for maximum efficiency, and set different hotspots for various time periods. To successfully make address changes, ensure your device has GPS accuracy of at least 10 meters, a stable internet connection, the latest app version, and full location permissions enabled. Understanding these three types of address changes and meeting the technical requirements will help you navigate the DoorDash app more effectively and improve your delivery efficiency. When you need to change a delivery address during an active delivery, the process is straightforward but requires careful attention to detail. First, tap the delivery address shown in your active order. This will open the address editing options where you can make necessary changes. Next, select Edit Address or contact the customer through the app messaging system to confirm the new location details. Always confirm the new location with the customer and update the GPS coordinates. If the distance change is significant, notify DoorDash support immediately. Now let's look at how to update your starting point location, which determines where you begin your dashing sessions. To update your starting point, you'll need to access the account settings in your Dasher app. Navigate to Account, then Location Settings, and select Change Starting Point. This path is clearly shown in the app interface. Enter your new address manually or use GPS location. Always verify you're in an active DoorDash market and confirm zone boundaries before saving changes. Finally, let's explore how to manage your hotspot preferences to optimize your earning potential. Hotspots are high-demand areas where you're more likely to receive orders. The app shows these as flame icons on your map. Go to Dash, then Hotspot Map to access your hotspot settings. Here you can select preferred areas and set radius preferences. Here are the essential best practices to maximize your success when managing addresses on the Dasher app. Always verify your starting point before beginning each Dash session. Update your hotspot preferences based on day and time patterns for optimal results. Maintain clear communication with customers during address changes and always document significant changes for support purposes. These practices will help ensure smooth deliveries and better earnings.